Grayson in his bed. He's 1 month old today, and it's Father's Day. And his little t-shirt says, Daddy's Rock Star. Let me take this out. Say hi, Grayson. Hi, baby. Is it dinner time? Ooh, there's some light. This is what he's like when he's hungry. Huh, baby? Tell me. Say, Mommy, get the bottle. Now.